Welcome to the Home Buying Adventure Series. Today's topic covers property taxes and special assessments. Hi, this is Mary Petruzzi with Team Petruzzi at RE/MAX at the Crossing. Indiana is one of those states that pays their property taxes in arrears. In other words, the homeowner's taxes for 2022 won't become due until 2023. Property tax bills are due twice a year. The May 2023 bill covers the period of January 1st to June 30th, 2022. The November 2023 bill covers the second half of 2022. Because of this, it's typical to select the option for taxes to be prorated up to the day of closing. The title company will receive the most current tax bill and calculate the proration so it's reflected on the Alta financial statement. On the Alta statement, you'll see the seller was charged X dollars for taxes they still owe, and that same amount will be on the buyer's side in the form of a credit. The easiest way for me to explain this, let's say your closing date is March 30th. Since the May bill hasn't been issued, the seller is saying, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, the tax bills for last year haven't come out yet. So here's the money for the 2022 plus the taxes due for June 1st to March 29th of this year. Would you mind paying them for me when the bill comes to the house? If part of your mortgage payment includes taxes, they will be collecting 1/12 of your annual taxes and pay them on your behalf every May and November. If you're considering checking box 1 on line 279, then this is a negotiation tactic that you've discussed with your realtor. If you're buying a home that's only 1 or 2 years old, it's possible the assessor hasn't sent a full bill to the seller. It's important your realtor investigates what the upcoming tax bill will be so you're getting the proper credit amount from the seller at closing. After you buy your home, you have until December 31st of that year to file your exemptions with the county. If you miss that deadline, you could expect to see your taxes double, and it takes about 18 months to see them come back down after you file your exemptions. A thorough realtor will check on your exemption status after closing and reach out to you if you need to file them. If a special assessment like city water coming into the neighborhood to replace private wells isn't paid in full by the seller, they should pay that at closing or prior to closing. The title company will usually find this in their title search. But if the city water is coming into the neighborhood sometime after closing, the assessment charge will become your responsibility. That should be disclosed to you. If you have any questions about the home buying process that I have not covered in this series, please don't hesitate to contact me at mary@teampetruzzi.com, and feel free to call or text me at 317-370-5509.